was it one blizzard or two?
Two.
It was two? Okay, I only had you rung up for one.
Oh, so the other one is free? I was gonna say that.
68.
I was gonna say that was kind of cheap.
Yeah, I didn't catch that other part. You said for which one? So I'm thinking, I want to do like a soccer mom and just get like a big video. So it is going to be upside down. Did you want a lid?
No.
No lid? Okay. Here's one. There you go.
I just need napkins.
Yes. Some more napkins.
Thanks.
Yep.
Get a spoon.
I need another spoon. Spoon.
Oh, yeah.
Thanks. Okay, so let's do what do you call that? What do you call that? It's highlight. So this is a Dairy Queen. And what flavor was that? Oh, turtle. No, pecan.
Yeah.
It's a pecan, and you can turn it upside down and it won't leak. Is that cool? It's known for that. So before they give it to you, they turn it upside down. See? It doesn't leak. It's ice cream pecan, and it's really, really, really good. So they're $14 for two. So this is $7.56 each. It's a medium size. It's called Blizzard. Every time I come over, I always stop by here to get this. And it's really tasty. So, like I said, you know, you can turn it upside down. I was always worried that if I do it, it's going to come out. You can only get this at the Dairy Queen. This one is really good. I don't like the they have one for peach cobbler, and I don't like that one. I like this one better because it's nutty. Upside down. You can turn it upside down.
It's gonna fall out.
It's really yummy. I like that nutty taste. It's really good. She's rushing. Next time you go to Seattle, I mean somewhere in town, try it. Try the pecan if you like pecan. If you're not allergic to it. It's much better. I don't know. I tried all of them except, and I didn't like it. The peach cobbler is new, and it doesn't taste very good at all. It's too rich, and I don't know. It just doesn't taste good. I like the pecan better. That's my thumbnail. Let's do the thumbnail. It's for my highlight.